Dear children, today we are going to start the part 2 video of chapter number 5, Fun with Paint. In this chapter, we have learned so far in the previous video about the different tools available in this software and drawing different shapes. Then we learned about call out shapes. In this video we are going to learn more features of MS Paint. Let's do it one by one. So now we are going to cover using color picker tool. This tool helps to pick any kind of color, any color combination from any object. We don't have to choose from the color box, but you can pick it from the picture that you find in your computer or from anywhere on the internet or anywhere. If you like that color and you want to use that same particular color, then you can use this color picker tool. So how do we do it? Let's learn the steps. First, to try, you can draw a rectangle, and in that rectangle fill color with the fill color tool. Then draw another object, a circle as shown in the figure. Select the color picker tool, click inside the rectangle object to copy the color. Then move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. Now I will show you these steps in a video in the next slide. But before that, let's talk about this modifying a picture. See, once you have drawn a picture, and if you want to make any kind of changes in it, such as copying, deleting, moving, these can be done in this with this software. For this, the options are available on the Home tab and various options from the image group, which contains commands to resize. You can resize the make it big or small, or you can rotate the picture to different degrees and then crop it. If you want particular part of a picture to be not shown, you can do that by using this option of crop, or select the whole or part of a picture. So these things are called modifying or changing a picture. Now let's watch this clip on using color picker tool. Here we are going to learn about how to use a picker tool. Let's draw one shared star shape, and then we will draw a circle. Now we are going to color it with different color these two shapes with different colors. I have colored it red, the star, and now I'm going to fill color in the circle with the yellow color. Now let me pick the color of this star and put it in this circle. I click on the color picker tool, pick the color from the star to shape, and then pour it in the circle. So children, this way, when we have to color in many places, then this color picker tool helps us, because you can usually click on different parts of the object and fill that color instead of coming to the color box again and again. So that it also saves our time and energy by using this color picker tool. Now let's learn how to select a picture. Why do we select a picture? If we want to change anything, we need to select the part of that picture or the whole picture. Then only the change will get effect. So for that, there are two selection uh, uh, tools available in this paint. One is the rectangular selection tool and the other one is called as freeform selection tool. Rectangular selection tool selects the object in the form of a rectangular shape, whereas freeform selection tool selects in an uneven or in any which way you move the cursor, in that form it takes or the selects the object or the shape in an irregular shape. So let's learn about how to select the object using this rectangular selection tool. For this you need to go to click on the selection tool, like the square dotted box you see here, that is the selection tool. To select the object, place the, once you select this rectangular, you can see in figure 5.4 the rectangular selection tool boxes tool is shown there. Click on that, then you come and select the object from the drawing area. Then click and hold down the left mouse button and then drag around the boundary of the object. So whichever how much you want to cover, you need to cover it by dragging the mouse by keeping the left mouse button pressed. Once you have selected the picture, then you release the mouse button. Okay, then it will show the selected part of the picture in dotted rectangular shapes. So this is how, by after selecting, you can cut it, you can copy it, you can move it, you can do all that, but that is only possible if you select it, and this selection is in a regular shape, and that is rectangular shape. Now we will learn how to do freeform selection tool. Freeform selection tool is used to select the part of an image or picture in an irregular shape. We can even drag the selected portion and place it in another location. So once you select it, like I told you, with the rectangular tool also we can do that, and with selection with freeform selection tool also we can do. So this is the icon for freeform selection tool. You can see how it is in an irregular shape, right? Place the pointer. Once you want to do that, if you want to do freeform selection, you need to go to that, select this freeform selection tool as shown in figure 5.5, then come to the drawing area and select the picture. You can move it any which way. It will the way you move the mouse button, that's how it will select the picture. Then you can drag the nose towards left as shown. See, this nose portion was selected in an uneven form, and once it is selected, you have to drag that selected portion to any place you want. Once it is dragged to this left hand side, see, the nose has come out in a very irregular shape. Now you cannot see the nose in that picture, only white area is shown, right? So this type of selection is called freeform selection. Now note this invert selection tool. This type of selection tool helps to select the area which has not been selected in the picture. So if you have selected this nose, if you click on the invert selection, it will not select the nose, but it will select other part except this nose. So that's the invert, means opposite selection tool. This is one feature available in paint. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is moving an object. How can we move this object once we have selected? For example, let's take an example. You draw a picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of select tool. Okay, a rectangle with the dash lines will appear around the picture as shown in the figure. You can see this picture has been selected in the dotted line dash lines with and it is in the shape of a rectangle. Click on the cut option in the clipboard group. When you go to the clipboard group, you will find the cut option, which is like a scissor. You will see the symbol of scissor there. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Once you click on the cut option, that picture has been removed. See, in figure 5.7, on the first part of the screen, you see the picture is not there. Now, when you click on the paste button, you go to the clipboard again and click on the paste option. Once you click on the paste option, it will come to the top left hand corner of the screen drawing area. It always, by default, it always comes to the top left corner of the drawing area. So click on the paste option. Now the object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Now you can place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location. If you don't want it in that top left corner and you want to change the place, you just need to click on that picture and drag it to any place that you want. One tip is given here. The selection box can be removed from clicking outside the selected area. So for example, this car is selected and you don't want to select it. You want to remove the selection. So you can click anywhere on the drawing area outside this selection. It will get deselected. Now we will move to the next topic, that is copying and pasting an object. Okay, now what is copying and pasting an object? When you want to create another copy of that an object or a picture, copy command is used. Cut means when you cut it, it removes it from that place, but when you copy it, it keeps a copy there and creates a duplicate copy. One more copy is created. So to copy an object, what are the steps we do? We select the drawing by using the select tool and select the copy command on the home tab. You click on the home tab, you will find the copy command. Click on the, once you have copied it, then click on the paste command in the clipboard group on the home tab again. Then a duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. Okay, then you can move the picture to any location. So once it comes to the top left corner, you can then click on that object and drag it to any location and keep it there. So with this topic, I will stop this video and I will continue the rest of the topics in my next video. Till then, revise the chapter well and learn all these tools given here, like copy tool, paste tool, selection tool, freeform selection, rectangular selection, rotate option. All these, you should be familiar with these icons or the tools. So practice that well. That's all for today, children. Take care.